Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samir. I will show you how to host a static HTML website by using the IIS services on your Windows with your IP addresses. Okay, keep follow me. I will show you step by step process. So guys, first we need to enable IIS on our Windows. For we need to go to control panel, search it, control panel, open it, and go to programs, and go to the in Windows features on or off. Click on OK. So here internet information services, click on OK. So it will take a time. After enabling IIS on our Windows, and the next step is open the IIS manager. So it's a finally completed. Close it the window and open the IIS manager. Search it IIS. Open it. So click on the down arrow. So here sites, this is a default website. Click on manage website. You need to stop the services, stop it, and next go back. Now go back, go to the file explorer. So now open the C drive. Here is the C drive. Okay, we need to go to this PC, C drive. So here init file we have. So open it, that one, and go to www root and delete these files. Delete it. So now already I have created the HTML website and static website. I have that files. I will show you, and we need to copy that files. Yeah, copy it. Go to the init pub, and here root. We need to paste here. Continue. Now go to the IIS. Restart it. Refresh it first. Okay, now go to the manage website. Now start the services. So now started the services, and now go to the CMD command prompt. So open it. So type now ipconfig to find our IP addresses. So here IPv4 address, we need to copy that one. Yeah, this one. Copy it. So now go to any browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So now paste it here, search it, and this is our website is running on our IP address. So it is mainly industry relevant skill. So it is also a widely used in organizations. So we can also testing a websites before deployment and hosting college projects like this. Keep practice more. Thank you.